Hi, I'm here with YOUmediaChicago. My name is Moji. I'm a hair artist here in Chicago, and I'm going to be showing you all how to do some of my favorite protective styles and some basic natural hair techniques.
Here are the things that you will need. They can all be purchased at your local beauty supply store.
Today we will be using Freetress Braid 2x Wand Curl Braid, Fluffy Wand Curl in the color 1B from divatress.com. The hair has been washed and blown out and detangled and moisturized, and I always like to start off every braid pattern with hair that's been detangled, just so that's a bit easier for you to part and to handle the hair. It also makes it a lot easier on the client so you don't have so much tugging and pulling. So this braid pattern is pretty simple. It's just a swerve in the back like an S braid, and then at the top I just continue around in a circle. And then I have another clip once I finish so you can see it a bit better.
So now you're going to get the crochet latch hook, and as you can see, the hook goes up and down, so you want to make sure to have it open when you initially put it underneath the braid. And once you get it under the braid, you want to take the loose hair and hook it on the hook of the latch hook. Then you will close the latch hook so that way the hair is secure and it won't get caught underneath the braid. Pull that hair through, open it again, put one side of the hair on the latch hook, push it back through, grab the other piece of hair and pull it all the way through. And then once you pull it through, you want to pull both ends tight, just like that. Now I'm going to show you all how to do it again. So you're going to take that piece of hair and your latch hook, take the hook, open it up, and put it underneath the braid. Once you get it under the braid, you will attach that hair under that hook, close the hook, pull it underneath the braid, push it back through the same loop, grab one side of the hair, pull it through, switch the hair sides and pull the other piece through, and then pull the hair so that both ends are tied.
Once I have the braid complete, I spray a bit of leave-in conditioner in it, and then I begin to install the crochet hair. When installing the hair, I try not to make the pieces too close together. I like to keep about 2 fingers in between each piece, just because the hair is so full and fluffy. And once I finish putting in all the hair, I'll separate the pieces. So you want to make sure you space it out. I also start at the top, so that way it's not too full, and then I work my way down from the top. And this is how it looks once it's all in, before I separate it and fluff it out. Now I begin to separate the hair. So I'll do that by taking one piece of the crochet hair, then I'll separate it into about 3 to 4 pieces, just depending on where it is in the hair and how full it is. And I'll just do that all over for pretty much each piece. Now I begin to cut the shape that she wants. So she wants a bang in the front and then the hair longer around the back and the sides. She wants the hair around the sides and the back to all be about the same length. So you'll just see me cutting it just short enough. I was asking her how short she wanted it, how long, how full she wanted the bang to be. And you kind of just, at this point, talk to your client and just see what they like. So here we have it, the finished product. She loves it. She looks very happy. I'm so happy. She has this bang situation in the front where I cut it to shape. She can pull it up in a nice little mohawk situation. It's very full. I love this curl pattern after fluffing it out and everything like that. She can do this like low ponytail situation. This style is very great. I would say it would last about a month. I wouldn't keep it any longer than that. If you want a tutorial on how to take it down,